tropical weather forecasted here. This is our fourth update on Hurricane Francine. It is about to make landfall in Louisiana. It will make landfall in about an hour from now. Here's the satellite picture. You can see a little bit of the eye. Let's go to the NHC forecast. Here's as of the 12A advisory, 90 miles per hour. We think it's 95. The storm is close to Category 2 intensity. By Friday, it will turn post-tropical. There will be some hazards, and we'll get to that right now. Here's the peak surge forecast, 5 to 10 feet. Some places, 4 to 7, but in New Orleans, there's 4 to 6 feet. And here is the excessive rainfall outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. There's a moderate risk in Louisiana, but slight risk from Tallahassee to Camp Girardeau. Here, let's go to the model forecast. Here is the Euro model. Makes landfall around 7 p.m. today and disappears off the map. Here's the GFS. Makes landfall around 7 p.m. Dissipates. That is all we have for a pre-landfall advisory of Hurricane Francine. Make sure to like and subscribe. Tropical weather forecasted out.